name is Rahel and I'm your trainer of Blender for beginners. So in this video we are going to learn remaining tools in edit mode. Like in previous video we learn about extrude and instant face, bevel and loop cut, and in this video we are going to learn remaining things like knife, poly build, spin, smooth, each slide, shrink and fat, shear and rip region. So let's get started. And I request you, so please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Okay, first we discuss about loop cut. So I understand, I train you about loop cut already in that video, but I think I not. Yes, I am. I do. Okay, so in this video, first we are going to learn knife tool. Okay, let's go in the box selection. In knife tool, select this knife tool and click over here, click over here, and click over here, click over here, click over here. I need to rotate it. Click over here, click over here, rotate it and click and press enter and select this, and you can see my knife tool is worked. And when I select this, so down one cube doesn't select because it is a loop cut now, and shift, and I can color it. See, and tap and click here and select random, tap C. What happened? Oh wait, material, random. Oh, I know, for this one it's going one color. Okay, so delete it. Wait, go to object mode and delete it. So okay, add one mesh here like a cube. Let's go in edit mode. Okay, we know about knife now. Now we understand what is poly build. For this we need to go object mode and add one, what we say, that panel. Panel come out. You can see we cannot extrude the panel, but we do now with the poly build. See, we can do it now. Like this. And one more. Wait, it's go down. Let's up it like this. It's up now. For the corner extrusion, you want to go here, like corner, and don't select this. Select this. Now you can see I can extrude the region and region. like this. Let's go in object mode now. Delete it. And let's talk about another. Select this and let's talk about another, like a spin tool. What is spin tool now? Spin tool means you want to do like make an pipe. We can do with this. Select your axis, I mean y axis. So select y axis and wait, it's tap here, and now you can do extrusion. We don't say it extrusion, you can do nice spin over here. And let's do another. It's looking, see, go to object mode. It's looking good actually. I want to see in subdivision. Click over your subdivision surface and press spacebar and type here what? Huh. Sh- Wait. Shade smooth. You can see shade smooth. Why it don't apply? You can see it's looking good. Okay. Let's talk about another. Delete it just and add one cube over here. It's okay. Go to edit mode. And what is smooth? First subdivide it. Subdivide. Hey, no, no, no. Subdivide. Now you can see it subdivide like this. And when you select this, select whole this, shift, it's looking harder. Wait, just go in object mode and go to edit. No, yeah, it's looking good. And you can smooth it like this. This is smoother like this. And in the end we are going to make an piggy bank with the beveling and randomize this. And now you can see what is going on here. it's it's looking so funny. Smooth it. It's looking good now. Okay, what is edge slide? It's wait. I want to do a new cube over here. Add one, I think, no circle, no. Add one here, cube, and go to edit mode and do edge slide. It's what happened to this? Yeah. Vertex. In this, this is vertex side slide actually. Where? Wait. To this we need to add one, what we say, loop cut, or yeah, one loop cut over here and one here. Okay, it's no edge slide. Okay, now you can do here it slide, and you can see it's sliding. And for the vertex slide, you can select here vertex slide, and you can see all the vertices are sliding. So let's talk about the shrink and fatten. In the shrink and fatten, you can see I'm shrinking and upping this, like you see. In this, have a push pull for this. Okay, let's talk about shear. See, I'm select that edge, and this is forming it like this. This is so important when you are doing perfectly thing. And let's talk about rip. For the rip, what is meaning of rip? With the rip tool, we can unjoin that. First go to object mode and delete it. Unjoin means disjoin. What we say that like this. Go to edit mode and select this dots and select this. When you click here, you can unjoin it like this. Wait, rip failed. Like this. You can unjoin it. And for the merge, click spacebar and type merge. Merge. Why it's not merged? Wait, it's merge. At cursor and collab. Wait, at center I am choosing. It's failed, guys. At cursor. Oh, click here over and select cursor. Now you can see. Select this. Okay, let's talk about another. Oh my god, it's all over. So let's make an piggy bank with beveling. So wait. First add here and cube. It's too easy. You can also make it, guys. So bevel it all like this. You can see like this. Okay, it's done. And click over here. Wait, select this and click over here and extrude it like this. Wait, it's going. Wait, guys, it's not failed actually. What happened in my rotation? Wait, it's technical issue, guys. Deleted, and just I am going to refresh it. Don't save. Okay, we refreshed it. So let's go to edit mode, bevel it. Okay, like this. some like this. No, don't need to do that. I think like this, and select this. Wait, select this and select this, and extrude it like this, and here also this, and in center select this and insert this. Okay, wait, select edges, select this edge, shift this edge, and move, no, not move, and scale it them into under like this. Okay, it's done. Okay, and slide this also. Wait, it's all right. And okay, now make the tail, and first insert is this. Wait, select this, and press I on the keyboard, and okay, press I again. No, it can't be instead now. Okay, and F and extrude it. Select this and extrude, scale it, and now you can use the cursor like this. Okay, now let's make legs, and here also, and here, and click here and instead is this. Okay guys, we meet in the next video. We will make the final of this pig in the next video. So bye bye, and stay safe, keep learning, and subscribe to my channel, the blender for beginners. So bye bye.